In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to forward a domain in Bluehost. This process is essential if you're looking to streamline your domain management or direct traffic from one domain to another. So, let's dive right in and make the process as straightforward as possible. First things first, you'll need to log in to your Bluehost account. To do this, simply go to bluehost.com and sign in with your credentials. If you don't already have an account or are unfamiliar with the sign-in process, there are helpful hints and support links available on the page to guide you through it. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself looking at the main dashboard. From here, you need to access the cPanel email, which plays a key role in managing your domain settings. To reach this, look for the Hosting tab in the side navigation of the dashboard and click on it. This tab will guide you to a new section called Server Information. Here, under the Quick Links, you should see an option labeled cPanel Email. Click on this link to proceed. Opening the cPanel email might pop up another window or tab, depending on your browser settings. Don't worry if this feels a bit overwhelming. It's all part of the process. In the cPanel email area, you're looking for something specific: the Forwarders option. Click on Forwarders, which will move you closer to setting up your domain forwarding. Now, a pop-up might prompt you to click Continue to access the Forwarders section in cPanel. This is perfectly normal, so go ahead and click Continue to move forward. Once inside the Forwarders section, you'll have the ability to set up your domain forwarding. To add a domain forwarder, look for a button that says Add Domain Forwarder. This is your next step. Clicking this button will prompt you to make a couple of important choices. First, you'll need to select your source domain. This is the domain that you want to redirect traffic from. Use the drop-down or type in your domain to specify this. Next, you will be prompted to enter the destination domain. This is the domain where you want your traffic to be redirected to. Be sure to enter the destination domain carefully to ensure that your forwarding works correctly. After double-checking your entries, click Add Domain Forwarder to finalize the setup. And there you have it. Your domain forwarder is now set up, directing traffic smoothly from one destination to another. This tool can be incredibly useful for management and efficiency. If you need further assistance or have any questions, Bluehost support is always accessible for more in-depth help. Thanks for tuning in, and happy domain forwarding.